I'm Ashlyn. This is Pablo.
Hello.
And we're Circumference. And we're here in Pontio making the double pendulum as part of Lab Time. And we're going to have a showing next week. So if you guys want to come and see it, that'd be great.
The double pendulum is a structure that we're creating just now, and it's based on a double pendulum. So imagine that you're going to add to the first pendulum a second one, and see what happens.
And then put people on it.
Yeah.
And see how that goes.
Great.
Come see.